Think about your feet as the foundation of a house. If the foundation is rigid, locked up, or unyielding, every structure built on top of it has to absorb extra stress. When we walk, run, or simply stand, our feet act as dynamic shock absorbers. But modern life often changes how our feet work. Many of us spend our days wearing narrow shoes with rigid soles, which essentially acts like a cast, locking our feet in place. To understand foot mechanics, we have to start with the most important player on your foot, the big toe. In biomechanics, there is a concept known as the windlass mechanism. This is a natural mechanical function where, as your big toe lifts or extends upward when you walk, it pulls a tight band of tissue under your foot. This action automatically arches your foot, turning it into a rigid lever so you can push off the ground efficiently. Your big toe cannot lift properly, whether that is due to tight footwear or lack of use. This mechanism cannot work the way nature intended. Instead of a smooth, efficient push-off, your foot remains flat or rolls inward. This shift changes the forces traveling up your leg, affecting how your ankles, knees, and even your hips absorb impact. By prioritizing big toe mobility, you aren't just helping your feet, you are supporting the alignment of your entire lower body. Let's take a look at a simple way to check your big toe mobility right now. When we talk about mobility, it's important to understand the difference between passive mobility and active mobility. Passive mobility is how far you can move a joint using your hands or an outside force. Active mobility is how far your own muscles can control and move that joint. We want to build active control. Let's try a simple daily drill to build awareness. Sit comfortably with your feet flat on the floor. Without moving your ankles or leaning back, try to lift just your big toes off the ground while keeping your smaller toes pressed firmly down. For many people, this is surprisingly difficult at first. The brain-to-muscle connection to our feet can become weak when our feet are trapped in shoes all day. If your big toe won't move on its own, You can gently hold your smaller toes down with your hand to help guide the movement. Hold that lift for 3 seconds, and then release. Doing this for just a minute or two a day helps remind your nervous system that these muscles exist and are meant to move independently. Now let's talk about the other 4 toes. While the big toe handles propulsion and stability, the smaller toes act like outriggers on a boat. They splay out to widen your base of support, which is crucial for lateral balance and stability. When we wear shoes that taper at the front, our toes are squeezed together. Over time, the muscles between the toes become inactive, and we lose the ability to widen our foot stance naturally. If you found this breakdown of foot biomechanics helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more movement and wellness insights. As a reminder, the information shared today is for general education and wellness purposes. If you are dealing with chronic, severe discomfort, always reach out to a qualified healthcare professional or podiatrist for personalized guidance. Thank you so much for watching. Keep moving mindfully, and I will see you in the next video.